30th question is integrate the given function. So the question is integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. We consider this 1 plus cos x as t. Taking derivative with respect to x on both the sides, we get dt by dx equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Rearranging these values, we get dx, that is dt by minus sin x equal to dx. Substituting this dx and 1 plus cos x values in this integration function, we get I is equal to integration of sin x by t dx values minus dt by sin x. These two terms will be cancelled out so that you get minus integration of dt by t. Integration of dx by x equal to log x, that is minus log modulus of t plus constant. T value is 1 plus cos x, so minus log of 1 plus cos x plus constant. This is the answer.